Passengers, for your safety, do not pass in front of the bus. Please stay seated until the bus comes to a complete stop.
It's not that full right now.
No, it's not too full right now.
That's great.
Next stop is W. Dixie High and N 135 Street.
This one looks like gravel.
Right.
You see this one?
Yeah, it does.
Some buses have this type of window, but Miami doesn't have it. I mean, they used to, but
the lady on the restaurant on Walmart,
yeah.
I talked to the lady. She said you almost found it, so I told her that, okay.
They,
Yeah, so then, go here, go back over there. One of them, yeah.
yeah, this one even sounds like gravel.
Passengers, for your safety, do not pass in front of the bus.
Sound a little bit like
Please stay
gravel.
seated until the bus comes to a complete stop.
It sounds really good. Yeah, it does sound like gravel. No, but I said it also sounds like a little bit like the Euro bus. A little bit. What, 17?
Next stop is W. Dixie High Bus NE
I still want
139
to catch
Street.
15109. 15109. No. It's the same model like this one. But it's the one. It's the 411 pink one. You're probably not gonna answer it.
Yeah. Gonzaga en la red. ¿No?
Stop requested. Passengers, for your safety, do not pass in front of the bus. Please stay seated until the bus comes to a complete stop.
Oh, he forgot. Yep, of course he's in that man. He's not.
That bus, oh, it was taking so long for it. It was raining like crazy.
Yep.
And I said, no, I'm not going to wait for that. Now I'm not going to catch a real rain. I just got to watch a little bit, but I don't want to watch it. You know? I got to do it there all the time.
For your safety, do not pass in front of the bus. Please stay seated until the bus comes to a complete stop.
What about $7? What about $7? What about 7 days?
Oh, 5 days.
Friday for what?
5 days a week.
Yeah.
$35. I pay $20 every day. And today I spend away $30. You know what I mean? So it's cheaper.
Oh, it's too expensive.
Huh?
Too expensive for that.
Bus?
No.
Bus more expensive.
No, it's not.
I mean, it's you know, if you get the money, you get the I know how much you pay. I spend. I come in the morning.
Stop requested. Passengers, for your safety, do not pass in front of the bus. Please stay seated until the bus comes to a complete stop.
But the thing is 670. Only carrying this way. Then I gotta go back to the other way. That'd be $9. Cheaper, you know what I mean?
$9 for what? Buses not even expensive, they're cheap.
Once we get a fast pass, we know what it is. In the meantime, that's good. But not yet. It's not going to be as good.
That's why I said the car is expensive.
Let's do that number.
The car is expensive.
Cheaper than the bus.
No, it's not.
It's not a Uber.
What is it then?
It's an STS, Special Transportation Service.
That's expensive.
Oh, so only 3 feet, only $7 a day, $35 a week. The bus is $20 every day. So 2 days already $40, and a week is $100. One pass the bus. And we get a pass, bus pass, for us to go places. We're gonna get a bus pass. We can get places. You know what I mean?
I don't want to go in the car. I want to go in a discussion, whatever.
Stop requested. Passengers, for your safety, do not pass in front of the bus. Please stay seated until the bus comes to a complete stop. Passengers, for your safety, do not pass in front of the bus. Please stay seated until the bus comes to a complete stop. Please stay seated until the bus comes to a complete stop. For your safety, do not pass in front of the bus. Please stay seated until the bus comes to a complete stop.